Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to manage YouTube watch history for better recommendations. You can manage your YouTube watch history, including deleting specific videos, cleaning your entire history, or pausing it altogether. Now, on mobile, all you gotta do is, let me open YouTube. Oh, not this. YouTube. Click the profile picture, the bottom right. Hit settings at the very top right. Now we're gonna click manage all history here. Now all you gotta do is just scroll through your history and tap the X next to the video you want to remove, right? So let's say this one, I'm gonna delete, right? This one too. So I got it. Basically that's it, right? You can also pause your watch history. So go back here, stay on your profile settings or profile account, hit history, hit the three dots at the top right. You can tap pause watch history, right? If you don't want YouTube to basically take every video you watched here in the history list, right? If you want to clean or clear your entire watch history, I'm gonna go ahead again to my profile picture at the bottom right, at settings at the top right, manage all history, okay? And we're gonna hit delete here. You can delete for today, custom range, or delete all the time, right? Basically, that's it. You can also direct the algorithm. You can train YouTube's algorithm without clearing your history. When an unwanted video appears on your home page, right, we're gonna click not interested. So let's say this video, I'm gonna hit the three dots and say, or tap not interested, or I don't want this channel to be recommended, right? To stop seeing similar content from this channel or this video particularly. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.